Okay, welcome on stage our Mr. Global Asian Philippines 2026 Region Paul Sabado. I know you are quite overwhelmed right now. Okay, John Paul, and I will let you sit first there at the moment, and we'll ask your brothers for their well wishes for you.
Hello po, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. John Hipólito po ulit. And aking Tito Ray po, Tito Ray. Dito pa. English? Okay, so ito po si Ray, isa po to sa during Mr. of Pilipinas pageant, isa din sa mga nagpo-push sa akin na makihabilo sa mga candidate kasi nahiya ako most of the time. So isa sila Mark, sila din yung circle of friends ko, and kami din yung mga magkaka-buddy pagka pinanghinaan kami ng loob, and sobrang magical na experience mo, lalo ngayon, di ba? From wala na to this, and finally, ito pangarap mo to, and wish you all the best. Make us proud, and proud na kami sa iyo. So, lagi mong tatandaan na nandito kami, Mr. of Pilipinas Brothers mo. Ano man ang mangyayari, proud kami sa iyo. Do your best, and congratulations again.
Good afternoon po. Ayun, John, alam mo pangarap mo to at ang tagal natin pinag-uusapan to, di ba? Dati pa lang nung dumalabang pa lang tayo, sabi mo sa akin na gusto mo manalo talaga maging international. At ito nga na, natupad na ngayon pangarap mo. Masasabi ko rin naman sa'yo na is good luck na sa laban mo, and ayun, go shine and bring home the crown. Kaya mo yan.
Nice people. And thank you very much for coming today. And congratulations to all the winners of Misters of Filipinas. To John, so on behalf of Mark, we'd like to wish you all the best in your endeavor. Bring home the bacon, I should say. And I hope that you will make Philippines proud. So again, congratulations and thank you everybody.
There you go, Sir Arnold is awarding that 32 inches smart high definition LED TV to Region.
Here po, na nakapunta kayo dito. And to Region, siguro maging ka lang, totoo sa mga mga kalaban. So, pray kay God, huwag ka makakalimot. And andito lang naman din kami para supportahan ka. Message me kung may kailangan kayo na. And thank you.
Thank you, Miss Marian. And of course,
Hello. Good afternoon everyone, especially yung mga media natin. Magandang hapon po sa inyo. Region, wish you all the luck. Wala siya. Wish you all the luck. Galingan mo. Alam natin na lahat ng lumalaban internationally na coming from PEPS, nagkakaroon ng title. I hope isa ka rin doon. Laban yan. So, good luck.
to Region, I know you have come so far here in the Misters, and finally have your own title as Mr. Global Asian. Ayun. And I know this is another first from Misters of Filipinas, and lahat naman ng galing from Misters and Peps laging pumapasok talaga and nagtatap. And congratulations in advance, and ayun, I know, just enjoy your journey to your pageant, and I hope also the media will take part in yung subaybayan ang kanyang journey sa pageant. And also thank you so much, media. And yun, I would like also to call Miss Myra.
Good afternoon, everyone. Congratulations to Region sa panibagong achievements po para sa mga Kings for this year. Ito na yun! Ito na yun. From day 1 ng preparation, nakita naman namin lahat ng pagpupursige mo. Ituloy natin hanggang Malaysia. Hanggang sa 29, laban natin to. Congratulations in advance!
Mabuhay ang mga nanay!
Okay, yun lang. Isang nasabi ko, si Ray kasi sobrang nakita ng org sa kanya na, kasi siya, parang mabait, responsible talaga, tsaka deserve niya yung title na binigay sa kanya ng org. So, hindi sayang we believe na hindi sayang yung title na binigay ng org sa kanya kasi deserve niya sa sarili niya. So, congratulations and good luck sa laban mo. And another win for the Philippines.
Thank you so much.